This is Hills and Valleys in the Key of C by Tauren Wells. It's a real fun, simple way to chord along to this song. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so let's go over the chords that are in this song. It's really simple: C, A minor, F, G. So let's play those. Let's look for a C note, and if you look for a group of 2 black notes, a C is right next to there. Line up your 5 fingers and just play every other note. C, E, G, C chord. Okay, let's play our F chord down here. You look for the group of 3 black notes. F, A, C, F chord. Move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. G, B, D. And move up 1 set of notes again and there's A minor. A, C, E. All right. Okay, left hand is going to be playing single notes. It's just a simple way to chord along to this song, so let's keep it simple in the left hand. C note plays with C chord. Okay. F chord to F in the bass. G to G. And A minor to the A single note in the bass. Okay, so this song is written in 4 4-time signatures, so I use a rhythm called 1-to-2 ratio, or together right, and that looks like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the A minor. Just getting this nice marching rhythm. G chord. So that's just the basics of the rhythm for this song. I'm going to sing verse 1 through so you can see how it sounds. And you'll notice, we'll talk about patterns, A minor, G, F, C is a common pattern that you're going to see really throughout most of this song. So if you just get used to going through those chords, G, you're kind of stepping down here and then back up to your C. And you repeat A minor, G, F, C. Here's how it sounds. I've walked among the shadows. You wiped my tears away. I felt the pain of heartbreak. I've seen the brighter days. And I've prayed prayers to heaven from my lowest place. And I have held the blessings God you give and take. So you can just notice we're just walking through this. Okay, that's it. So let's look at that pre-chorus. Now we're just doing D minor, F, G. And I apologize, I forgot to teach you D minor. It's super simple. So here was the C chord. After C in the alphabet comes D. Line up your 5 fingers. D, F, A is D minor. Okay, so you're going to see that it looks like just in that pre-chorus only. So, and you're going to play D in the bass, and you're just going to open your thumb up 1 single note. You're not going to move your hand out of position. You're just going to swing open, play that D to D. Okay, and as sing through it, you go. No matter what I have, your grace is enough. Back to that D minor. No matter F, where I am, I'm G in your love. Okay, and the chorus. Let's just look at that pattern. So it's A minor, G, F, C. A minor, G, F, C. So you're noticing that pattern through almost the whole song. It gets a little bit different towards the end of the chorus. That pre-chorus is going to be similar to do that as well. Sometimes they throw in the pre-chorus with the D minor. So just notice some of those patterns and notice that that's going to take care of most of this song. Okay, so let's look through that chorus. A minor, G, F, C. Oh, the mountains I will bow is the word G. Bow my life to the F, one who set me C. There in the A minor valley I will lift my eyes to the F, sees me there. Okay, and you're just going through this whole thing. look at the bridge. Since the verses are going to be the exact same, you're using the same chords, just changing up the words. Excuse me, got something in my throat today. The bridge is A minor F C G again. Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain. And through it all, you will remain, and over it all, Father, you A minor F, every joy and every pain. A minor, through it all, you will remain, and over it all. Then it goes into a little different pre-chorus there, same chords. O'er the mountains I will bow my life, in the valley I will lift my eyes. Yep, that's it. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. This one is so simple. Just break it into the simple steps. Do it right hand only. If bringing two hands together is too complex for you, you could do it. Chord sheet is in the description below. Grab it and play along. Here you go. I've walked among the shadows. You wiped my tears away. I felt the pain of heartbreak. I've seen the brighter days, and I prayed prayers to heaven from my lowest place. I have held the blessings, God, you give and take away. And no matter what I have, your grace is enough. And no matter where I am, I'm standing in your love. On the mountains I will bow my life to the one who sets me there. In the valley I will lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountains, I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking through the valleys, I know I am not alone. You're God of the hills and valleys, hills and valleys, God, hills and valleys, and I am not alone. I've watched my dreams get broken. In you I hope again. No matter what, I know I'm safe inside your hand. Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain. And through it all, you will remain. Over it all, Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain. And through it all, you will remain. Over it all, on the mountains I will bow my life. In the valley I will lift my eyes. Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain. And through it all, you will remain. Over it all, Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain. Through it all, you will remain. Over it all, on the mountains I will bow my life to the one who sets me there. In the valley I will lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountains, I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking through the valley, I know I am not alone. You're God of the hills and valleys, hills and valleys, God, hills and valleys, and I am not alone. You're God of the hills and valleys, hills and valleys, God, hills and valleys, and I am not alone. My life to the one who sets me